Welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Is my dog really seeing in black and white? This question has puzzled dog lovers for generations. The answer, like much in science, is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. While dogs don't experience the world in the same vibrant hues as humans, the belief that their vision is limited to grayscale is a misconception. Dogs do see color, just not the same range we do. Understanding this difference opens a window into the fascinating sensory world of our canine companions. For years, the prevailing notion was that dogs inhabited a monochrome world, their visual experience akin to watching an old movie. This belief stemmed from the fact that dogs possess fewer color-sensing cells, called cones, in their eyes compared to humans. Humans with our three types of cones are trichromatic, allowing us to perceive a wide spectrum of colors. Dogs, on the other hand, have only two types of cones, making them dichromatic. This difference in cone types limits their ability to differentiate between certain shades, particularly in the red-green spectrum. Imagine a rainbow with some colors missing. That's closer to what dogs see. While they may not see the vivid reds and greens we enjoy, their world is far from devoid of color. Dogs can perceive blues, yellows, and shades of gray quite well. This means a bright blue toy against a green lawn wouldn't appear as a uniform gray blob to a dog. Instead, they would see a distinct contrast, albeit in a different color palette than ours. Their dichromatic vision allows them to differentiate between variations in these colors. A pale yellow tennis ball against a bright blue sky is clearly visible to a dog, even though the specific shades of yellow and blue they perceive may differ from our own. This understanding helps debunk the myth of a solely black and white canine world, revealing a more nuanced and fascinating reality. While dogs may not experience the full spectrum of colors we do, their visual world is far from deficient. Their vision has evolved to excel in other areas, compensating for their limited color perception. Dogs possess a higher density of rod cells in their eyes compared to humans. Rods are responsible for detecting light and motion, making dogs particularly adept at seeing in low-light conditions. This heightened sensitivity allows them to navigate dim environments and detect movement with remarkable efficiency, surpassing human capabilities. Furthermore, the shape and positioning of their eyes contribute to a wider field of view than ours. This enhanced peripheral vision allows dogs to be highly aware of their surroundings, detecting movement at the edges of their visual field that humans might miss. Their ability to quickly process moving objects, coupled with their superior night vision, makes them excellent hunters and guardians, even in the absence of a full range of colors. It's important to remember that vision, while important, is not a dog's primary sense. Their olfactory system, responsible for the sense of smell, reigns supreme. Dogs possess up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to our meager 6 million. This incredible sense of smell allows them to perceive the world in a way we can only imagine. They can detect subtle scents over vast distances and differentiate between an astounding array of odors. For dogs, the world is a symphony of smells, each carrying information about their environment, from the presence of other animals to the emotional states of their human companions. While their color vision may be limited, their extraordinary sense of smell more than compensates, providing a rich and detailed sensory experience that shapes their understanding of the world. Understanding the nuances of canine vision can have practical implications for how we interact with and care for our dogs. When choosing toys, for example, opt for those with contrasting colors that fall within their visible spectrum, such as blue and yellow. This contrast makes the toys more appealing and easier for them to see, enhancing their play experience. Similarly, when training or playing fetch, consider the lighting conditions. In low light, a brightly colored toy might not be as visible to a dog as it would be to us. Choosing a toy with reflective properties or using a flashlight to illuminate the object can make a significant difference in their ability to see and retrieve it. By understanding the limitations and strengths of canine vision, we can create a more enriching and enjoyable environment for our furry companions. The question of whether dogs see color, while seemingly simple, opens the door to a deeper appreciation for the unique sensory experiences of these beloved animals. Their world, while different from ours, is no less rich or vibrant. Dogs navigate their surroundings using a combination of senses, with vision playing a crucial but not singular role. By understanding the nuances of canine vision, we gain a glimpse into their world, fostering a deeper bond and a greater appreciation for the remarkable creatures that share our lives.